Hello everyone, welcome back to Python Vibes YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to tackle a common mistake that many beginners encounter when using the flower braces in Python. So we have a sample code. We have initialized one empty dictionary using these flower braces, and then we are trying to add the value 6 to this empty dictionary using the add method. When we try to run this code, we got an attribute error saying that dict object has no attribute called is add. So what it means is when we are trying to add, this is resulting an error. That means dictionary object has no method called this add. So basically in Python, dictionaries doesn't have an add method. This add method is existed or used for the set data type but not for the dictionaries. So this represents an empty dictionary, right? So we cannot use the add method on this data type. So how can we fix this code? So instead of using these flower braces to create an empty dictionary, we can use the set function to create an empty set, and then we can use the add method to add an element this 6 inside this num set so that it works perfectly fine. So let me do that. I'm initiating one empty set here, and then if we try to run this code, it works perfectly because this add method is existed for the set data type. That is how we can fix this sort of code. So by understanding the differences between dictionaries and sets and using the appropriate syntax and the methods, you can avoid these common pitfalls like this one. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to Python Vibes YouTube channel. Thank you.